Hi, Mark here, and welcome to our next session of how-to videos through IntelliCar. And this one we're going to talk about and show you how to put your phone number, name, email address, whatever you want on any photo or video that you want to send your customer or for your own personal use if you own the iPad. Now, remember what we spoke about in class when Eddie Murphy wanted to find a queen when coming to America. He went to Queens, New York to find a queen. And that's how simple this is. The first thing you need to do is have the photo or the video already on your iPad. Once you have it there, you're ready to go. And then what you're going to do first is you're going to go to your icon for your iMovie, which is the white star with the blue background. What you're going to do is you're going to touch that. When you touch that, it's going to bring up all your projects. If you've never used it before, it's going to pull up the videos at the top. In that case, just hit projects. Once you've hit the projects, you go over to the plus sign on the right-hand side, because what we want to do is add a project. So click that. It's going to bring up two choices. One is a trailer, one is a movie. For this vignette, we're going to click movie. Some of the next ones we'll talk about trailers, which is really cool. But here we're going to click the movie button. So we move the cursor over to movie, and we touch that, and we have it. What you want to do here is make sure you have this one clicked. You can have this one over here clicked. You can have that one, but you want to make sure that you have this blue one. Most salespeople like this CNN type style for the overlay. Once you have that, you want to create your video. So if you want to create your video, you go up to the top where it says create right up here. Imagine that. And hit create. You touch that, and it brings up everything that's on your iPad. All your movies, all your videos are right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all, and this is going to pull up all of your videos. And we're going to pick one that, I'm going to go to all instead of today. And I'm going to hit all. And I'm going to pick out a video. Let's find one that I haven't used yet. And I'm going to scroll down until I find a video. And let's do this one right here. Once you pull it up, it's going to have a couple of things here. This is the down arrow. If you want to put it down here, then you hit the down arrow. Here's the play button, and you can play this right here to make sure it's the right video. And I sort of know that it is, so I'm just going to hit the down arrow here because I want to bring it down. So I touch the down arrow, and I bring that down to the bottom. And as you can see with my finger, I can scroll it to the left or right. This was a very good video, by the way. And I'm going to scroll to the very end with my finger. I'm going to leave it right there with one frame to the left of the white line. And what I do then is I touch it, and it turns yellow. Once I touch it, it brings up a couple of icons at the bottom. And if I wanted to add text, what icon do you think I'd hit? I'd hit the text button. I'll do that right now. I hit that, and it brings up the selection that I spoke about. I could do a number of different ones here. I can do this one, and let's say that one there. And you notice the text is too high. On any of them, if the text is too high, I can go to the lower over here. I can touch that. If I want to make it lower, hit lower, I guess, right? Touch lower, and it puts it down at the bottom. Right there, then you can adjust it. In this case, everybody seems to like this CNN. So if I click the CNN one, it pulls that up. You'll see it in 1 second, and there it is. Now it's pretty simple to do. What I do is I just touch it with my finger on the iPad. I just touch it right here, and what it does is it brings up an X and your keypad. So I'm going to delete the X. I'm going to touch in title text here, and I'm going to start typing in. And I'll just type in Mark and my last name. And then my phone number. And I'm done. I have it. So when I'm done, I hit the done button on my keypad. And now all I really want to do is I want to save it to my iPad so I can use it. So there's a little arrow up here, a little arrowhead at the top left. So I'm going to touch that. When you touch that, it brings you to this page right here, which goes into your projects. And I need to do, there's a couple of things you can do here. Number one, I can name it here. If it's a video that I'm going to be using all the time, like a feedback video or a generic video, I can name it, put it here. I can play it right from here. And here's where I can send it. Or what we're going to do, we're going to save it to our iPad. I could delete it, and I can go back and edit it. I can add other things to it. Very interesting. So in this case, I'm going to touch the 6 over here at the top. And I'm going to name it, because this could be like a feedback video, so I'll just call it feedback. Excuse me. And I just named it, and once I've done that, I want to put it back in my iPad so I can use it with it. So I touch where it says right here, that's the share box. This is where I could do anything with it. I could put it on Facebook, I could YouTube it, but right down here, we're going to save the video. So we're going to save the video. Touch that. Always hit medium at the top, otherwise it might be too big. And voila, it's done. Now the video is into your iPad, and you could use it and send it the way we taught you in class. Or you can just want to play it from here. You could hit the play button here and see what it looks like. And you can see how it pulls out. So I want to thank you guys very, very much, and looking forward to you guys having a great month. Thank you very much. Mark signing off here. Thank you.